How to post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily post multiple photos on your Instagram without cropping them. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, you will need an app like this, InShot. This app is InShot. You can download it from App Store or Play Store, and once you have downloaded the app, open the app and tap on here photos in the middle, then tap on new, and from here select the photo you want to post without cropping. So you have to select one by one. So first we will select one photo, then after selecting you can see it has added these two bars in both sides of that photo and made it a square. Now if we post this photo, it will be posted as without cropping. So if you want to change the color of these bars, you can tap on here background in the bottom here, and then from here you can select a blur bars, or you can choose any color from here, gradient, pattern, etc. So we will just keep it simple and select white and then tap on this check. Now to save this picture, tap on save in the top right corner here, save, and that photo is saved. Now we will go to home and we will do this same for another photo. Now once we have edited the both photos, open the Instagram app and tap on this plus here in the top right, then select the picture you want to post without cropping. Now you can see this picture, we can post it without cropping, and if we select the same picture but without the editing, you can see the picture is cropped, and we can post the whole picture without cropping it. So select the new photos, and now you can post these pictures without cropping, and you can see here that these photos are posted without cropping. So this is how you can post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. Thanks for watching.